Sydney Airport is a hub of endless aviation action, where the skies are alive with the roar of engines and the elegance of aircraft in motion. Today, we're bringing you up close and personal with some of the most spectacular takeoffs and landings at one of Australia's busiest airports. From the iconic runway 16 to the other key airstrips, every movement here tells a story of precision, power, and beauty. As planes taxi to the runway, there's an air of anticipation. The steady hum of jet engines builds into a powerful roar as they prepare for takeoff. From the smaller domestic jets like the Boeing 737 and Airbus A380 to the towering giants of international travel like the Boeing 777 and Airbus A380, each takeoff is a unique moment of engineering excellence. Watching these aircraft accelerate down the runway and lift effortlessly into the sky is a sight that never gets old. Let's not forget the landings. Every descent is a finely choreographed act, with pilots executing precise maneuvers to bring their aircraft safely back to the ground. As planes approach Sydney Airport, they descend gracefully over the sparkling waters of Botany Bay, creating breathtaking visuals. The final moments before touchdown, with landing gear extended and engines reversing, showcase the skill and focus of every pilot in command. Sydney Airport's strategic location near the city and harbour means every takeoff and landing is framed by stunning backdrops. Whether it's a morning departure against the rising sun, an afternoon arrival with the Sydney skyline in view, or a nighttime takeoff illuminated by lovely lights, each moment feels cinematic. On the ground, the activity is no less impressive. Aircraft taxi to their gates after landing or head toward the runway for takeoff. The choreography between air traffic controllers, ground staff, and flight crews ensures that everything runs smoothly. This behind-the-scenes coordination is what keeps one of the world's busiest airports operating seamlessly. For aviation enthusiasts, Sydney Airport is a dream come true. The mix of aircraft is unparalleled, ranging from turboprops to wide-body jets. You'll see cargo planes bringing in essential goods, domestic flights connecting Australia's cities, and international flights arriving from and departing to destinations across the globe. Each takeoff and landing represents a connection, a journey that bridges countries, cultures, and lives. Close-up views of takeoffs are especially thrilling. Watching an aircraft like the Boeing 747 or Airbus A380 powering down the runway, with its engines screaming and tires smoking as it lifts into the air, is nothing short of exhilarating. These close-up perspectives allow you to appreciate every detail, from the intricate designs on the livery to the sheer size of the aircraft. Similarly, close-up landings are mesmerizing. Seeing the landing gear touch the tarmac, the puff of smoke as the tires make contact, and the deployment of spoilers and reverse thrust creates a moment of drama and excitement. It's a vivid reminder of the engineering marvels that make flight possible. The variety of aircraft at Sydney Airport is another highlight. Smaller regional planes like the Qantas Link-8 share the runway with massive intercontinental jets. Then there are the rare visitors, like military aircraft or private jets, which add an extra layer of excitement for plane spotters. And speaking of spotting, Sydney Airport offers some of the best vantage points for aviation enthusiasts. From dedicated observation areas to spots near the runway, plane spotters gather with their cameras and binoculars, capturing the action from all angles. The close-up views they capture allow us to appreciate the intricacies of each aircraft, the designs, the mechanics, and the skill of the pilots. One of the most impressive sights is the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger plane, taking off or landing. Watching this behemoth of the skies maneuver with grace and precision is nothing short of awe-inspiring. The double-decker design and sheer size make it a favorite among spotters and passengers alike. And then there are the departures at night. The glow of the aircraft's lights as it rolls down the runway, the roar of the engines cutting through the quiet, and the sight of the plane disappearing into the dark sky create a magical moment. Nighttime arrivals, too, are a spectacle, with planes descending like floating beacons of light, guided safely to the runway. Sydney Airport's charm lies not only in its incredible aviation activity, but also in the sense of connection it brings. Each takeoff and landing is part of a larger story, a journey that begins or ends in this vibrant city. Whether it's a business traveler heading to a meeting, a family returning home, or cargo delivering essential goods, every movement matters. As the day progresses, the constant flow of planes continues. The close-up views of takeoffs and landings remind us of the marvels of flight and the dedication of everyone involved in making air travel possible. Sydney Airport is more than just a transportation hub. It's a gateway to the world and a testament to the incredible advancements in aviation. Thank you for joining us for this up-close look at takeoffs and landings at Sydney Airport. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation adventures. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and your love for aviation soaring high.